I don't think I would have survived any of my life if I wasn't incredibly lucky to have the friends that I did. And a friend once told me that friends are God's apology for family. And I think friends are God's apology for a lot of things. Friendship is essential, friendship is sustaining, and friendship is a bone deep relationship. If you're lucky to have those kind of friends, they outlast everything else. They outlast familial ties, relationships, pets, school, whatever it is. They travel with you always. And I've been very lucky to have friends like Allegra, who becomes many things in one. I guess if you have those bone deep friendships, they are many, many, many people in one body. And I hope I've been a good friend in the same way that my friends have been to me.